What's up, guys? Mike here. I got some huge news and a lot of announcement for you guys for the stock Rocket Companies, ticker symbol RKT. There's some huge announcements that they made today during earnings that is going to be making this company definitely be very, very profitable. And especially if you're going to be holding this long term with me, because I am definitely going to be holding this company for long term. I definitely see this company as a very, very high valued, high profitable company. It is they just announced during earnings that they are the second most profitable lender in the industry, which is absolutely huge news for this company because they are making massive, massive amounts of money. They literally make billions with a B every single year. And they also announced they have some billions of dollars in cash reserves. And I'm going to go over all of that in this video for you guys. And we are going to do all the tech and chart analysis. We're going to go over where this stock is headed and what the future holds for this company, because I got some huge news for you guys that I want you guys to stay tuned and pay attention to, because it could definitely affect your shares and it could definitely make you a lot of money if you stick to this plan and make some good moves with it, because Rocket Companies is definitely something you want to be keeping and not selling. All right, do not fear any of these analysts say anything to you, and do not fear what the CEO says, because this guy always downplays the next quarter. Last time he said Q3 we're not going to do well. Guess what? He destroyed earnings for Q3. And then now he says Q4 we don't expect to do well again, all right? This guy is a genius CEO. He always downplays future earnings because he knows he wants to destroy it. And I'm going to go over all the good stuff for you guys for this video that you need to definitely stick tuned and hear me out, because I got some excellent news for you guys if you are a shareholder. And if you're an option holder, yeah, definitely this will also affect you as well. So with that said, make sure to always smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out what's going on with Rocket Companies, ticker symbol RKT. All right, so what happened today? Today they just had earnings and they announced some crazy major news that I'm going to be going over with you guys in this video. And Rocket has been on a bullish incline. They have been uptrending, bullish. I told you guys in my previous video, this was a buy zone. When MACD crosses over, it was a buy. And 17, 18 bucks, come on, man. That is dirt cheap for this company. It was below IPO pricing, which was 18 bucks a share. This, you guys should have jumped on this like freaking hyenas. No joke. I jumped on this and I freaking bought it. I was like, heck no, I'm not letting this opportunity pass. This is insanely cheap. So I jumped on it, added a few more shares, and I was extremely happy because I rode this to the top. And today, they had earnings. They beat earnings, okay? Sometimes companies beat earnings and they drop, all right? And that is because of future guidance, all right? Because the company says, all right, what's going to happen to our future of our company? We believe XYZ will happen, all right? And if it's bad news, of course, they're going to sink regardless of what they did in earnings. And today, the CEO, this guy really downplays earnings all the time. This guy always says the next quarter it's seasonal issues. We don't think we're going to be expecting to do well. And then that's what he said for Q3, and he destroyed earnings, right? And he says it again for future guidance. He said for Q4, we expect some winter issue, seasonal thing. We don't expect to do well as previous season as Q3, and we expect Q4 to be less profitable and make less money. And this guy is downplaying this, and he's going to make some insane money for Rocket Companies on the loans, because right now people are refinancing at heavy rates because the loan interest rates just dropped to record lows of 2.85. All right, this is record low interest rates for loans and refinances. So people are definitely taking their chances and jumping on. And Rocket Companies has a 90%. All right, this is extremely hard to do. They are number one in their industry to keep their previous clients. A 90% to keep their previous clients. All right, that is insane news. All right, everything is still uptrend on this company. It is not a downtrend. RSI is up, TSI is up, MACD's up. Everything is still uptrending. Excuse me. They did not do very well closing today. It wasn't a very strong close, but it's earnings, right? You don't expect earnings to always be a strong close. Now, what did they announce today? They said they are doing $1 billion in share buyback. What does that mean? That means they are buying $1 billion worth of shares from the market. That means if you hold shares, you have shares, expect this stock to explode very soon because they're going to be buying shares for Class A and Class D. All right, and Class A is you guys, right? Shareholders, retail shareholders of the stock market. All right, that is you guys. All right, this isn't bad. This is great news. This is actually wonderful news for you guys. So this is good. All right. So where do I see this company headed? I will tell you, all right? I still think this company will easily go to $24, $25 range. Easily, all right? I still see this easily going. Long term, if you are holding this long term with me, all right? You believe in the financials of this company. You believe this company will do very well in the future like I do. This company will definitely be hitting 50 to 100 bucks, all right? I strongly believe in this company, and I'm going to show you guys how you guys can keep profit and make profit with options. You sell calls every single week, and you make profit regardless where the stock price is at. You are going to be making free money just for holding a stock that you plan on holding for long term, just like me, all right? So this stock will easily go to 24 to 25 bucks because it's still on an uptrend. Even though the market the last 2 days have been down, rocket companies has still been going up, all right? They even closed up today. They didn't close strong, that's true, but that's because of earnings and people were extremely confused, all right? If they did really that bad, the stock after hours would have crashed big time, all right? It did not do that. All right, let's go to Yahoo Finance, and I'll show you guys what's going on. All right, so after hours, the stock only went down 40 cents. That's pretty much what this company moves on a daily basis. They go up and down like 40 cents, all right? This isn't even a huge deal at all. This is nothing. This is absolutely nothing. So I'm telling you guys, this company is very profitable, and if anything, if it breaks this barrier right here, this is a huge resistance line. If this breaks, you can expect rocket companies to go to 30 bucks, all right? All we need is this barrier to be broken. This $24 to $25 range, this resistance line is broken. It is going to go to 30. That is easy money. And they're doing $1 billion share buyback. That's easily going to push the stock up, all right? And this is bullish still because it's trading in the box. This is the box. As long as rocket companies trades within this box, this is bullish, all right? This is a bullish signal to continuously hold this stock and not get out. This is bullish. I don't want you guys to sell out and you miss the $1 billion buyback and you just mess up for no reason, all right? Let me show you what happened with LCA recently, actually, all right? I told you guys, as long as this stock trades in the box, it's going to be fine, all right? This was the box right here, all right? And it did. It has been doing just fine. It's bullish. It closed weak today, but after hours, it popped up, all right? After hours, LCA went right back up to yesterday's close at 1340. Yeah, that was yesterday's close also, at 1340. And it went up back to yesterday's close, which is still good. This makes it still bullish. All right, I still am pretty bullish on this stock. I do not plan on selling until this easily goes to 15, 16 bucks. I pretty much see 16 more opportunistic, and it's definitely going to happen. But I'm telling you guys, don't sell your rocket shares. And if you held through earnings with me, good job. All right, this is definitely a long-term company that you should be holding. Now I'm going to show you how to make money regardless where the stock price is at. Right now I'm going to show you how to sell calls on rocket companies. Guys, so one thing I really like about Robinhood is that it's very easy to do options, all right? And what we're going to do is we're going to make money regardless where the stock price is at. And I'm going to show you how to sell weekly calls on this. Always sell weekly calls because it is the best way to keep your shares if you plan to hold it long term, and it's the easy money to make. All right, it's like you own a piece of real estate and you are renting this stock out. You're renting your real estate out. This is what selling calls is like. It is like you own a piece of real estate and you are renting it out to people in the market. All right, so this is what I do. I know that rocket companies does not move a lot. All right, it does not move more than like $2 to $3 a week. All right, so what do? I sell it about $3 to $4 higher than the share price is going for. All right, today it was going around 22 bucks. What did I do? I knew today was going to be earnings. I sold about half of my shares on calls because I knew the premium was going to be extremely heavy and high, and I sold $25 calls. All right, implied volatility, IV, the crusher of all evil is IV. All right, when it comes to options, and it was 225%. That is absolutely insane IV. This is destructive IV. All right, this will destroy you if you didn't do well. If this stock did not go to 25 bucks, tomorrow whoever is holding this will be crushed. This thing won't even be 30 bucks. It'll be like below $20 or around 20 bucks, right? I get to keep 60. I sold it for $62. That was the premium I got paid. So I'll show you what I did. I sold this at 62 cents per contract. I only sold half of my contracts in the Robinhood account that I own rocket shares of, and I have rocket shares in several accounts. I have it in my retirement account. I have it in several other brokerage accounts. The rocket is like about 25 to 30% of my entire portfolio because I really believe in this company. All right, I'm telling you guys, this is a company I really believe in. And I got paid 62 cents per contract. That is $62 because you are selling 100 shares per contract. That's $62, right? And I made an easy whopping $186 for doing nothing, for selling calls on a stock that I planned on holding anyways long term. And I told you guys sell it about $3-4 out of the money so you can keep this company for long term, because if you plan on holding it long term and you just want to rent this stock out to people, this is the best thing to do, is sell calls. All right, this is free money. I made a video on how to sell call options. You can watch that and it'll teach you and break down how to make money on selling call options on other stocks. Right, this is just for Rocket, but I made a video if you want to check it out, and it shows you how to make money on call options, selling calls on other stocks, just not the Rocket today. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube can alert you when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post any trades I make. I also post very important news for you guys. And if you guys watched my Instagram, I posted sell your shares on Monday. Sell and take profit, especially if you are up on positions. I said take profit, and guess what? The rest of the day, it was a down day. Today, Tuesday, was a down day. I told you guys to take profit, and I hope all of my subscribers and followers on Instagram listened and took profit. And that is why I say follow me on Instagram, because I do post important information. I tell you guys when to take profit, when I buy something, when I sell something, so you guys are up to date with me and make moves as I make moves as well. So anyways, follow me on Instagram. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any stocks or any questions you'd like me to answer. I'd be glad to do it. I'd be very happy to help you out. I might even just make a video on that specific stock you asked me, because I'm always looking for great companies and great stocks to invest in, and also help other people get in and make money with me, because there's a reason why I call this channel Make Money with Mike, because I want everybody to make money with me. I'm not one of those greedy persons that just tells people to buy so my stock goes up and I take profit. No, I want everybody to make money with me. That's why I give you guys target prices on when to buy and sell, because that's the exact time I'm going to be buying and selling. So there's no way I'm doing this so I make all the money myself. I put target prices for you guys because that is where I'm going to be selling. So you know ahead of time that is when I'm going to be selling. So you can be selling as well. And I want you guys to be very profitable in the long run. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. And also, if you want 2 free stocks from the stock market, WeBull gives 2 free stocks, one for just signing up to use their platform, and another additional stock when you make a deposit of $100 or more. They'll give you 2 free stocks, each worth from a minimum of $8 to up to $1,600. Check my link in the description below. I'd really appreciate if you do use my link. Also, if you want another free stock, Robinhood gives a free stock just for signing up to use their platform. Check the link in the description below for a free stock from Robinhood. And always, I do appreciate anyone who does use my links. Thanks again for watching my video. And until next time, make money with Mike.